Hi everybody, this is Ryan Cargillet, and I'm going to be your facilitator and instructor for seminar in mathematics this term. I'm really excited to get to work with you again. Many of you have worked with other classes, so we're going to continue to get to know each other. This class is a little different than you've done in the past. In the past, you've had 8 weeks and you've had assignments due every week. In this class, it really won't be that way. If you look through the paperwork and the information for the course, you're going to figure out that you have a research proposal due week 1. You have a research paper outline due in week 2. You have some original content research in week 4. You have a first draft of your research paper in week week 6, and your final project is due in week 8. So the primary focus of this class is going to be a research paper. This is your capstone course. It's an opportunity for you to demonstrate achievement of learning outcomes and provide documentation of what you've done here at your time as an undergraduate at Auburn University. I mentioned the research project already, but there's a couple other things you got to do. There's going to be discussions. Every week you'll have a discussion. In week 1 you have 2 because you also have your introductory discussion. So you have introductory discussion and you have a week 1 discussion. Remember, your initial posts are due on Wednesday, and at least 2 follow-up posts are due on Sunday. So make sure you get them all done this week. Start early on that. Please at least get your initial post done by Wednesday. Then you'll have a comprehensive assessment that'll be done during week 8. That's a final. Make sure you take a look at that. And then your individual research project is also due during week 8 as well. And I kind of outlined your weeks. I'd make sure that you take a look at the weeks so you can plan out kind of how you're going to do. Again, in week 1, you'll have a research proposal due. I can help you through this. If you have some ideas, let me know. Maybe we can do a web conference or something and talk about your ideas, and I can give you some feedback, and we can talk about it a little bit. But overall, like I said, this is a capstone course. This is your opportunity to demonstrate what you've learned and how it connects to maybe what you're going to do in real life. Maybe it's some new research that you're coming up with, or some new applications that you want to share. So again, I'm excited to get to work with you. You'll have the normal announcements every week. A lot of times I'll try to make videos, but not every week. I'll make them as many as I can. But look forward to seeing you. And if you need me, please feel free to reach out and we can talk. And I think as this course, again, I'll be your facilitator. So I can talk you through some things. I can ask you some questions and help you keep moving forward on this. But be thinking about your topics. Again, your proposal is due week 1. So I'll talk to you later. If you need some help, holler. Talk to you later.